A husband and wife were newly married. They were walking in the evening after dinner, and suddenly the husband tugged the wife aside. The wife said, "What happened?" The husband said, "Darling, there was this puddle of water in front, so I didn't want you to step on it, so I pulled you aside." 10 years later, the husband and wife were again walking. A puddle was in front. The husband said, "Careful, there's water in front." 20 years later, they were again walking. There was a puddle in front. The husband said, "Andhi hai, are you blind? Can you not see there's water in front?" Relationships are like bank balances. If you wish to withdraw from your bank account, you need to make a deposit in the bank account. If you have not made a deposit, how will you withdraw? You go to the cashier and present a check of $1,000. The cashier said, "Saab, kuch nahi milega." Why not? It's whatever you had has been withdrawn. In the same way relationships work. When you scold somebody, it is a withdrawal. When you force somebody to do something, it is a withdrawal. When you correct someone, it is a withdrawal. When you disagree with someone, it is a withdrawal. When you smile at someone, you are making a deposit. When you praise someone, you are making a deposit. When you help the other, you are making a deposit. When you sacrifice your time for the other, you are making a deposit. So, if you wish to get other people to do things, you need to ensure that you have got sufficient deposits. If you don't have deposits, because necessarily there are times when you have to scold. If the parents don't scold the children, then that's not good for the children. For their benefit, you have to scold. But remember, the scolding is a withdrawal. And if you wish to have the luxury of scolding, you must have made deposits. Mostly the relationships get overdrawn, and that is why the problem arises. So, if you have to get things done from others, if you have to teach others, if you have to correct others, remember that people are human and they need encouragement. They need positive affirmation. How? By giving, by sacrificing, by making deposits that will enable you to make the positive withdrawals when required. This is the healthy perspective towards relationships.